Hey guys, check out this ratchet I found the other day. It's called the Super Ratchet. It's made by J.H. Williams and Company. And this, let's see, there's somewhere on this thing. Oh, I was already looking at it. If this would focus. There you go. There you go. Made in the US. So, I'm not quite sure what this S51 is, but from a little bit of research online, I guess this was a company that was bought out by Snap-on, and it said that the USA made tools were actually designed and built for industrial use. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know exactly when they were bought out, but this is really slick ratchet. I mean, it feels good in your hand. So I was out doing my route and I found this laying on the side of the road, and it was I don't even have anything to compare it to, but it was so rusty that you couldn't even see the letters in it. And, you know, me being the pack rat that I am, I said, well, I could fix that. I'll take it home and clean it up. Now it didn't work, which it does now, both ways. I tore it all the way apart inside. You just can't remember exactly what that tool's called, but anyway, I have one. Goes in here. This all unscrews. You take all the guts out. It was covered in just all kinds of crap, rust and grease, and everything was froze up. None of it worked. I really wish I would have took some pictures or video of it before I did all this, because it looks brand new compared to what it did look. And this took a couple hours to get it back to this, which ain't too bad unless, you know, you take into the account that my back's killing me from being bent over using that the wire wheel and shit to clean this up. But yeah, I mean, I bet this is an expensive ratchet. I bet it was an expensive ratchet back then, and I bet it is now. But yeah, if any of you know this S51, I'm kind of wondering if that's the year 1951. I don't know. I'd like to know more about this. I'm going to go back in the house and Google more, but I mean, you can see it's all pitted up. But after I got it all cleaned up, I gave it a good coating of WD-40. But yeah, this is definitely going to go in with my other ratchets, because the only other, well, I have the bench top, which is what I mostly use. And I got this piece of crap. This is Taiwan on it. And maybe I'll pitch that out in the gutter. Let somebody find that and clean it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.